for the athletes comprising the all-defensive team.
The winners are from Rain or Shine, Gabe Norwood. From the Alaska Aces, the Beast, Calvin Abueva.
From the San Miguel Beermen, the Kraken, Junmar Fajardo. From the Alaska Aces, Bing Eximiniano. And from San Miguel Beermen, Chris Ross.
Imagine, Erica, kung ikaw yung makakalaban ng limang ito yung mga makakaharap mo on the other end of the floor. Kahit sino siguro, kung hindi buo ang loob, kakabahan pag nakita yung all-defensive team.
Kung sila ang makakalaban ko, James, kailangan maging lalaki muna ako para kayanin ko ang tibay at galing at husay ng mga manlalarong ito. Once again, gentlemen, congratulations for being part of the all-defensive team.